Logjam in Parliament continues as opposition escalates its attack on the government. Now, the opposition firm on demand for Prime Minister's statement on conversion row, and as the Parliament blockade continues, key bills in the Parliament have been stalled.
सदन में अव्यवस्था की, सदन में गतिरोध की, उसका सीधा दोष सरकार के ऊपर है। क्या कारण है कि हमारे इस बड़े प्रजातंत्र के अंदर देश के प्रधानमंत्री सदन का सम्मान नहीं करते? आप मुद्दों के अकाल से जूझ रहे हैं, इसलिए आप इस तरह की हरकतें कर रहे हैं। ये ठीक नहीं। आप चर्चा करिए, चर्चा करिए।
We are being called anarchists. We are being called anarchists. We are saying we want the house to run. We want the house to run, but will the Prime Minister be present when we want to raise this issue? That is all we want you to tell us.
देखिए, क्लैरिफिकेशन ढंग का होना चाहिए और सब संतुष्ट होने चाहिए उससे। बाकी जो रवैया गवर्नमेंट का है कि हाउस में अपनी चलाएंगे, अपने आप चलेंगे, अपनी बात कहेंगे और किसी की नहीं सुनेंगे, ये संसदीय कार्य प्रणाली के विपरीत है और ये कोई विरोधी दल इसे स्वीकार करने को नहीं तैयार है।
Sir, one more thing, sir. Venkaiah Naidu is saying there should be some amendments to the AP reorganization. Will you support?
Let us see what kind of amendments he wants. Just talking about amendments without defining amendments makes no sense.
There are 9 parties, 140 MPs. I know this discussion has been moved by me, but it's very clear we speak in one voice. And the one voice is, where is his master's voice? His master's voice, we can only see his selfies. But he needs a visa to come here or what? He's free to come here. Let the Prime Minister come and listen and take part in this debate. Let him come and take part in this debate. Let him listen to us. Why is he shying away? Why is he shying away?
Now, please.
Why is he shying away? I've said this before. Do you need to issue him? Do you need to issue him a visa to come to Rajya Sabha? Do you need to issue him a visa on this issue? What is this?
O'Brien.
Let the Prime Minister come.
सर, ये मिस्टर बराक ओब्रायन मिनिस्टर कम से कम ये जो फ्री लार्जर स्पीच देते हैं, आप मुद्दों के अकाल से जूझ रहे हैं, इसलिए आप इस तरह की हरकतें कर रहे हैं। ये ठीक नहीं। आप चर्चा करिए, Opposition members, please go back to your seat. Your own leader is standing and you are disturbing. It is. Why you disturb your leader? It is absolutely clear. Treasury benches, please cooperate. No. Ruling party members, please cooperate. Take your seat. अगर प्रधानमंत्री जी को कुछ कहना है, अगर उनके सदस्य गलत कर रहे हैं, उनके मंत्री गलत कर रहे हैं, तो जिम्मेदारी प्रधानमंत्री जी की बनती है कि इस सदन में कहें और इस सदन में कहने के बाद सदन की सर्वसम्मत राय होनी चाहिए।
The Prime Minister has not announced any policy decision in the party meeting. And I have a point of order, which is, in the name of a point of order, can Mr. Naresh Agrawal every day raise a point of disorder?
I want to know from the Honorable Leader of the House, will the Honorable Prime Minister come to the House so that we can have a discussion on the matter that is contentious and on which we want to resolve and want the business of the House to continue?